Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying 0 volts with a meter. This protects you and the fan. Next, remove the canopy cover while supporting the fan so blades don't shift. Inspect the receiver cavity and confirm the remote kit matches your fan's wiring scheme: 3-wire, 4-wire, or integrated control. Once done, lay out the receiver, batteries, and screws. Make sure to keep wire colors organized, and note any existing capacitor or light kit connections before proceeding. You now wire the receiver. First, connect the house live hot to the receiver input live, then connect the receiver outputs to the fan motor live and to the light live. Match colors carefully. Once wired, twist on rated wire nuts and add tape for security. Tuck the receiver into the canopy or junction box without stressing wires. Mount the antenna so it extends outside metal parts for range. Make sure ground is connected and the neutral is continuous. Tighten all screws and resecure the canopy. You finish by restoring power and testing every function: low to high fan speeds, light on/off, and reverse if available. Follow the kit's pairing steps to sync the remote. Press the Learn button, then the remote command. Confirm response. If functions fail, power down and recheck wire connections and that battery polarity is correct. Also move the antenna clear of metal. Finally, secure the canopy, run a short stability check, and explain to the homeowner how to replace batteries and reset the.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.